What is up, my spooky babes and ghouls? It is Noose Draven, and today I'll be filming a Wednesday Addams braid tutorial. We're gonna be doing the new Noose braids from the new Addams Family movie. I noticed that Wednesday has like little her braids have like little nooses at the end. I kind of want to like recreate something like that. I tried practicing earlier and it came out okay, but I don't know. We'll see. I'm kind of still like, what's it called? I was thinking of looking up how to like make nooses earlier, but I was like, I don't think the same thing would apply to hair. I don't know. It might work, but I don't know. I just thought it'd be easier just to like tie it like with elastic. Okay, so I washed my hair earlier and it's really fresh. I had just straightened it. You don't have to straighten it if your hair is not too straight, then it's cool. I feel like whenever I leave my hair natural, it's really frizzy, so whenever I straighten it, it kind of calms down. So that's why I put some oil in it. I can't remember. I think it's from Garnier. I can't remember what it's called, but it's some anti-frizz oil. So yeah, I did that earlier. So I'm gonna separate the hair on both sides. I'm not sure. If you want it to be like completely split down the middle, like in the back, you can do that. But I really don't care. I'm just getting two sections. And of course, we're gonna start off with the braid on each side. So in some braid, like I normally do. Wednesday's braids are like low. They just start down here, so you don't have to like do a fancy Dutch braid or anything. So I'm gonna try to section my hair into 3 equal parts. At least try to make it as equal as possible. And I'll just start braiding away. It might be a little hard to braid right now with this hand, especially because there's a band-aid on it, and as I was practicing earlier, it kept getting caught onto the band-aid. Like my hair, like strands of hair get caught to it, so that kind of sucked. Okay, I lowered the camera a little bit, just so y'all can see. I'm gonna stop the braid like right around like down here. I have like all this hair left and my chair keeps sinking. So I have like about like this much left. I'm gonna, well, I had tried two different techniques earlier, and I found that just tying it first with the little black hair elastic works better for me. I don't know. So I'm going to wrap the hair elastic around like how you normally would. I'm gonna do it several times just to make sure it's nice and secure. And also I'm not like overlapping it, I'm just kind of doing it like that. That way it kind of looks a little bit like Noose, kind of like the way they kind of, you know. Okay, so I have all this hair left, so basically that kind of gives me a little bit of space to kind of make a loop for the Noose basically. Okay, so I'm gonna get a bobby pin. I'm just kind of curl my hair like this, so that way it's kind of, you know, kind of nice and tight a little bit, or like so that way the hair doesn't unravel. My hair is like it's been like layered a long time ago, but like I still have like a bunch of like hairs that are like really like uneven if they're not all the same length. So I'm just gonna try to do that just to keep them, you know, at bay. And I'm gonna try to stick the bobby pin through here. I know it's so hard to probably see with my hair because the background's black and my hair's kind of dark, but I'm sticking it kind of through here. I'm making sure my hair is attached to it. I'm sticking it through the elastic right here just to make sure it's nice and secure. And I might have to actually, I remember wrapping it earlier. I'm gonna get another bobby pin to secure it some more. Okay, so I have wrapped the leftover strands around the elastic a little bit, and I'm gonna secure it again with another bobby pin and push it through the elastic and kind of just layer it through. And this one wants to go out. And this is what we have so far. It looks a little messy, but honestly I really don't mind. Maybe if my hair was like all one length I wouldn't be doing that, but maybe I can spray it down so that way it's thick, something like that later. Okay, so we have one new spray done. I think I'm happy with it, and I'm sinking. Okay, so I think I'm happy with it. I might put some hairspray on it or something to kind of keep the loose hairs in, but I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. I guess I'll film that and fast forward it with music in the background. Okay, so here are the Noose braids. I think, honestly, I think I'm happy with them. They're like not perfect, but also my hair isn't like one length, so like of course some strands are gonna pop out, but whatever. Of course you could, if you want to further this, or you could spray down hairspray, or even get some gel to make your hair more stiff at the end. That could also help. I just don't feel like putting gel or hairspray at the ends of my hair, to be honest, right now. And here's my little bean. Isn't he so cute? My little chihuahua. Yeah, he even has a little Halloween bandana on. Let me turn it around so y'all can see it. Oh, he's so cute. I was gonna make him dress up as Pugsley for this video. We have a little striped t-shirt, but the problem is the little t-shirt's kind of dirty. We need to wash it, so no Pugsley today. But here's my little bean. He's so cute. He's a little camera shy. But he came up to me right now. Mr. Bean. So yeah, honestly, this is not that hard. You just gotta leave like a nice length at the bottom so that way you had, you know, enough to tie it back and pin it back. The bobby pins will kind of stick out of the hair a little bit. I don't know if y'all can see that right there, kind of sticking out, but honestly, it doesn't really bother me. Probably no one even notice. Like like on this one, it kind of goes like behind it, like. It's back here. If you just turn the hair on, you'll see the bobby pins sticking out, but no one's gonna notice. I just love Wednesday's little Noose braids. I thought it was super cute. And I honestly can't wait to see the Addams Family movie. I'm actually really excited. I know it's animation, it's probably for kids, but I really want to go see it. I love the Addams Family. I kind of grew up watching the original Addams Family movie. Not the original TV show, but like, you know, the one from the 90s. But I love that movie so much, and I don't know, I kind of just want to see how they do with the animated Addams Family movie, especially with like a style like the original comics that they came out a long time ago. So yeah, so leave a like down below if you like these Wednesday's little Noose braids. I think they're super cute. I mean, of course, you could fix them. Mine are just getting messier and messier each time I mess with them. But I think they're really cute. I love them so much. Also, I did some makeup today to kind of go with my Wednesday look. I know her eyelids are kind of purple in the movie, and I want to kind of go for like a dark plum color eyeshadow, but I really don't have a dark plum eyeshadow on me today, so we just went with this and kind of a little pinkish. I mean, for it to look pink, but whatever. I just want to do like a dramatic halo crease with some big dramatic lashes and black lipstick, so yeah, so that'll be it for today's video. Make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and also be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Leave a comment down below what you guys think about the new Addams Family movie. Are you gonna see it? Are you gonna take like any siblings or your kids gonna see it? What do you think about it? Do you like it or not? Also, let me know down below in the comments what you're gonna be for as Halloween and what your favorite Halloween candy is. I would love to know and hear some of you guys' Halloween costumes and candy. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. I usually post a bunch of other stuff, especially on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me on that. So that'll be it for today's video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Have a safe and spooky Halloween. Bye!